As the number of drone flights increase, we need to move to a more scalable digital air traffic management system that can monitor and manage these new types of operation. This system is referred to as Unmanned Traffic Management, or UTM. Connected Places Catapult partnered with UTM providers Altitude Angel, ANRA, Collins, GE Aerox and Wing, along with drone operator SKYLIFT, to demonstrate multiple UTM service instances working together using real-world scenarios. This project culminated in a series of live trials demonstrating coordination and information sharing for a set of complex operations. This is the first of its kind, bringing together organisations around the country and across continents to do these live trials demonstrating multiple UTM service providers delivering traffic management services to multiple drone flights in a real-world environment. We anticipate that there will be multiple UTM service providers, and they will need to communicate with each other in real time to share information about the flights, airspace and operations they are managing to ensure the safety and efficiency of all airspace users. Connected Places Catapult is the UK's innovation accelerator for cities, transport and places, and our mission is to support UK businesses in commercialising the latest technology in new global markets, and drones and drone services represents one of these emerging opportunities. We've worked with government and industry to accelerate the demonstration and deployment of drones in a range of applications such as remote inspection and delivery. The following scenarios are made up of multiple flights managed by the different UTM providers to demonstrate how information is shared between systems so appropriate actions can be taken to ensure safe operations.
A drone is carrying out an agricultural inspection, Drone A, at a farm. During the inspection, a drone aircraft part is required for immediate delivery. Before the delivery operation is planned, the police requested a flight restriction so a police helicopter can monitor traffic and roadworks. The delivery drone, Drone B, attempts to plan the direct route using UTM services, but this conflicts with the reserved area for the police helicopter, so the delivery drone replans and flies around this restriction. The drone carrying out the agricultural inspection is notified about the delivery drone and avoids the incoming flight by moving out of its flight path and landing safely.
In this scenario, we see a recreational flyer, Drone A, in a park, when the fire department are alerted to a possible fire in the area, and they send out a drone to assess the scale of the fire, Drone B. The recreational flyer is notified via the UTM system of the fire department drone and lands. Whilst landing, the recreational flyer briefly leaves their planned area, which triggers notifications in the UTM system to warn other drone operators, but quickly returns to their area and completes landing. Once the fire has been verified, the fire department sets up a temporary flight restriction for an area near the fire. All operators near the fire are notified by their UTM systems, including a news drone, who then plan their operations to avoid this restriction. The fire department spots a nearby drone, Drone C, and is quickly able to determine that it belongs to the news organization. The fire department requests an air ambulance to be dispatched to the site, and the news operator, Drone C, moves clear of the helicopter's flight path after being informed of its imminent arrival via a message from the helicopter's UTM service.
These live demos are a great example of a successful collaborative research and development project working in a dynamic environment with evolving standards and technologies. The project also demonstrated the concept of UTM interoperability and laid the foundations for deployment of federated UTM services both in the UK and internationally, and has positioned UK companies to be at the forefront of this new global market. This project, funded by the Department for Transport and supported by the Civil Aviation Authority, has successfully demonstrated the concept of UTM interoperability, which enables airspace participants to share this information securely.